Hello all, my name is Krishnayak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, recently as you all know, we had started an initiative to give back to the data science community, and this was in collaboration with Ineuron. So considering that, we had actually started Python live sessions, Tableau and Power BI live sessions, and apart from that, data science project architecture discussion along with resume building. So based on this, I really want to give you all, I want to ask about the feedbacks of this particular sessions. How is it? Are you learning a lot or not? Whether you are loving these initiatives or not, definitely please do give back the feedbacks. We have already taken feedbacks from many people, but yes, some people did not give the whole feedback itself. So I want you all to comment in this specific video and definitely give the feedbacks. One more important thing I want you all to do is that definitely share this initiative with everyone, guys. See, you are a part of a data science community, and it is the duty of every data scientist. The first thing when I became a data scientist, and you all know that I've been uploading videos from past 2 years, and if you don't know, I've recently completed 500 videos in just 1.5 years. So you can understand that what kind of effort is actually required to put up all these particular videos. Sometime I usually take, if I want to prepare a 12 minutes video, now suppose this particular video, how many retakes I've actually taken, you don't know that. So for every 12 minutes video, probably consider that you require 1 hour of effort, another half an hour for doing the editing, and then uploading it in the YouTube channel is another half an hour. Apart from that, decide the thumbnail and all. Well, I don't want to make, I usually do not make my videos that much animated or stuff, because I just want to give you the information or the knowledge as soon as possible that I can. So I usually upload every day at least one video. Now considering that, guys, please do share this initiative. As I was saying that when I actually became a data scientist, I, based on the knowledge that I've actually got from various resources, and those resources completely open source. People were putting a lot of content in the internet. They were actually sharing their videos in the YouTube channel. They were sharing completely as an open source. So this is completely amazing, right? So many GitHubs are there, GitHub link from popular data scientists, where you can actually learn a lot of things. Kaggle is one place where you learn a lot of things. So considering all these scenarios, you know that, it is always our duty to actually give back to the community, in terms of knowledge, in terms of things that we do. So considering this, I want to request you all to actually share this initiative, initiative that is we have started in collaboration with Ineuron, to everyone, your friend, your family members. Yes, I have seen many people doing that. They have actually suggested their friends about this initiative to join the live session, and I can see that, many people are joining, many people are loving those videos, many people are loving the live session. So that is an amazing thing. Right now, we as a data science community can do a whole lot of things. Again, guys, this should not only be popular at some places. I want you all to make this initiative go globally, everywhere, whomever you can. Your friends are working somewhere outside India, within India, everywhere, every other places, so it just required sharing that thing, sharing that information. Now based on that also, guys, for this free community also, right, free initiative that we have actually started, you're also getting a very good support. That is what is the feedback that I've heard. So so if you go to support@ineuron.ai in Skype, and if you ping them for any questions related to this particular courses that we have actually started as a free initiative, you can go and ask them any questions. They'll definitely give you a reply within 1 hour, within half an hour. So that is just like a live session to give a wonderful support to you all. And so considering this, please do make sure that you utilize this opportunity. Tell your friends, everybody, they should not go anywhere to study, because we are actually trying to do that same thing. We are trying to provide you all the information at one place. This is how we actually are planning to give back to the data science community. So considering this, guys, it's a sincere request. Please share with everyone, and definitely tell about the feedbacks. How is the course going on? How is the free course initiative going on? How is the Python live classes going on? How is the Power BI Tableau live sessions going on? How is the data science project discussion, project architecture discussion going on? And how is the support team doing? You should also say that. So definitely based on your feedback, I'll pass those feedback to our support team. And again, remember, guys, those support team are all data scientists. Who all support team are actually giving you the support? They all are data scientists working in Ineuron, and they are doing this wonderful job. Because you may be considering that if you become a data scientist, you will just be implementing projects. No, you also have to deliver, you have to give some support, to the people. Then only you'll be also able to learn more, right? That is an initiative that we have actually started. So considering this, make sure that you also provide feedbacks with respect to the support team. That will definitely motivate them to actually provide you a lot more of knowledge and support itself. So yes, this was all about this particular video. So make sure, guys, again, it is a sincere request, give the feedbacks how it is. It will definitely motivate the Ineuron team, apart from the people who are actually serving you all. So yes, this was all about this particular video. I hope you like it. Please do subscribe the channel, and definitely do subscribe Ineuron's channel, and I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day ahead. Thank you, one and all. Bye bye.